This is a 2015 Tacoma with a hard solid fold 2.0 by Extang installed. This is a heavy duty folding bed cover with really strong panels that support up to 500 pounds of weight on top. It matches the truck very well. Has all the weather sealing all built into the underneath it, so it's going to seal up the bed. And when you lower the tailgate, you have access to the clamp that you pull down, which unlocks it from the side of the truck. So if you pull this clamp down on both sides, you get instant access. If you want to take it off, you twist off these two turn knobs in the back. There are T-knobs in the rear, and that will remove the whole cover. This is a foldable style. All of the weather sealing is built into the side. You can flip it up and drive with it open and go highway speed safe in that position. And it's really lightweight, but it's very strong. Everyone can use it. Come under here, pull that handle down, and it grabs the side of the bed on both sides. And then you just close your tailgate. And then if you don't have a pop-in lock for this truck, you need to get one. It matches the same key that starts the truck. Lock the tailgate, the cover's secure. And this one's backed by a 3-year warranty.